Are you thinking about buying a new car in India? That's great. But before you start your hunt, there are a few things you should keep in mind to make sure you get the best value for your money. Here are some tips that might be helpful for you. First and foremost, you should fix your budget. It's important to have a clear idea of how much you can afford to spend on a new car. This will help you narrow down your options and ensure that you get a good value for your money. For example, if your budget is around 10 lakhs, you can explore cars in the range of Maruti Suzuki Swift, Hyundai i20 and Toyota Glanza. Next, choose the right segment. There are a variety of car segments available in the Indian market, from hatchbacks to sedans, SUVs and more. Consider your needs and preferences, such as the number of passengers, fuel efficiency and driving conditions to help you choose the right segment. For example, if you have a family of 4 to 5 members and want a car for city driving, then a hatchback or compact SUV could be a great option for you. Once you've chosen the segment, research the variants available in that segment. Each variant may have different features and specifications, such as engine size and transmission options. So, it's important to choose the one that best suits your needs. For example, if you're looking for a car with good fuel efficiency, you can consider the diesel variant of the Hyundai Creta or Kia Seltos, which are known for their mileage. Speaking of fuel efficiency, it's important to consider this factor when buying a car in India, where fuel prices can be high. Look for cars with a high mileage rating and consider alternative fuel options such as diesel or hybrid cars. For instance, if you're looking for a car with great fuel efficiency, the Tata Nexon EV could be an excellent option. It's an electric car that can travel up to 312 kilometers on a single charge. Safety is top priority when it comes to buying a new car. Look for cars with advanced safety features such as airbags, anti-lock braking systems, ABS, electronic stability control, ESC and rear view cameras. For example, the Mahindra XUV 700 comes with up to 7 airbags, ESC and an advanced driver assistance system ADAS that includes features like adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning and lane departure warning. Checking the warranty and after-sales service offered by the car manufacturer is also crucial. Look for cars with longer warranty periods and good after-sales support. For instance, Maruti Suzuki offers a 5-year warranty on its cars and has a vast service network across India. Last but not the least, always take a test drive of the car you are interested in. This will help you get a feel for its performance and handling and make an informed decision about whether the car is right for you. You might love the look of a car, but find out during the test drive that it's uncomfortable to drive or has poor handling. For example, if you're considering the Honda City, make sure to take it for a spin to see how it performs on the road. I hope these tips were helpful and gave you some insights on what to keep in mind while buying a new car in India. Good luck with your search.